This is good stuff.
I know. We're gonna do riding the snore out.
We're gonna do.
I don't know any of the words, but
Oh, it's red now.
yeah.
All right. Here, look. There's Leroy's shoes. He's snoring.
Get on the other
Hold on. First, we gotta get the intro. Oh. Nope. Just the intro. Just the intro. Here we go. There we go. Now we can rock into it. Ride in the snore out. I can't get to sleep tonight. We haven't wrote the lyrics yet, so give us a break.
This is the intro.
This is the intro.
Now they keep rocking out though.
and I'm dancing right now. You can't see it on camera because that's Leroy snoring, but I'm dancing. Stevie's playing guitar.
Ride in the snore out.
Oh, don't.
It's about 8:30 in the morning. Waiting for the bowling alley to open up a Wendy's to let us drive through in a cab.
Oh, we're going to Gail's breakfast.
Oh no, they won't let us in.
Gonna squirt some ketchup.
Oh no, right in the snore out.
Gonna squirt some
We gotta
ketchup.
start over.
Hold on, back. Wait, back.
Start over.
No, this is great right here. This is all we need. We can make out the words later. This is.
What
Just
is
put
it?
this in.
Riders
We're gonna
on
make.
snow.
We're gonna make Leroy famous.
He's doing a different one. Riders on the snow.
This is gonna be so much fun when we put this on YouTube.
Riders on the snow.
You know.
Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a duck without a pony, just another note.
I'm snoring with the band.
It's okay, I'm with the snore.
Perfect.
Right here.
Oh,
Wait.
hold on.
Wait. Let's do another one. Wait, let's do another.
Oh, this is beautiful. Hey, Betsy, are you out there somewhere, Betsy? You're gonna love this one.
Your mama don't
Dance.
snore and your daddy don't.
Here.
Your mama
don't.
No.
Your daddy don't. Your mama. I can't stop laughing.
He
Man.
doesn't know that one.
No, he doesn't know that. Here we go. Little Leonard Skinner. Down. Sweet home Al.
Who gave him the Quaaludes? He's dragging. He's dragging all night.
What's that? What? Oh my God.
Oh my lord. Okay, one more time.
One more. Let's go. A Beatles song would be good for this.
Modulate. Oh, did you hear it? Modulate?
I'm thinking of a song. Yeah, but you know, it ain't working.
On the farm's gone laid back in. Much of no country boy like me can't have. Early to rise and early to the sack. Thank God I'm a
country boy.
Oh God. He doesn't know that one either.
No.
Damn, he doesn't know it.
He's got the rhythm though, you
He's
know.
an improviser.
He's
stylist. He's a stylist.
He's got the same rhythm
Benny
going
King.
on and on. I mean, the timing's everything, you know.
Wait, let's try this one.
Yeah. Led Zeppelin. Tangerine. Tangerine.
Oh, no, wait. You might hit on something.
What? Tangerine? Tangerine.
I forgot I only had 5
she's
strings.
buying a stairway. He's Snoreway. Yeah. He's buying a Snoreway to heaven. Who booked this guy? She's snoring a Snoreway to heaven. Oh.
Fair. It's not fair.
Yeah, this is fun. Ride in the Snore Out's pretty good, but you know, I can't think of the song we need to put this to. Hey, Leroy. He ain't got... You know, I don't know if I can take this anymore. It's pretty funny, though.
Well, we can loop that if it's not funny.
Oh, it's pretty funny.
Did you zoom in on him?
Zoom. Oh, yeah, let's get this.
Try to get right up his nose.
There we go. There he is. Oh, sweet.
I know.
Look at
Oh,
that.
I know.
Look at that. Look at those ears.
It's amazing.
Zoom in on those ears.
It's like,
You know, Stevie's
it's like
got
the
one.
Hubble telescope.
Stevie's got one ear that's swelled up. Look at his sunglasses there too.
I told him.
And you don't know.
Yeah.
Oops,
He was in bed. I said, well, I kind of had, you know, one of those weeks, you know.
And sunglasses around his neck. There we go. Oh.
You gotta send Rita an email. Send Rita an email.
Yeah. Send Rita an email. Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
Oh, no, we got you. Don't worry about it.
This is
It
gonna
can't be more than 10 minutes if it's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, but this is gonna be the end of our CD, man. You know, we're gonna make a CD, and this is the end of it. You know, after you listen to fucking Pedro the Hairlick Mexican, you go.
You can get a good close up with him without me talking.
One more.
Oh man, it's the absolute most perfect.
And there's
day.
smoke going by. It's perfect. Look at the smoke going by from the cigarette. It's fucking beautiful.
It's a beautiful thing.
We're videographers.
I think we gotta take this seriously.
We should take this seriously. We're fucking. Oh my god, it's a beautiful thing.
I wanna go bowling.
I could sell this. Let's go bowling.
Let's go bowling.
Let's go bowling, Leroy. Leroy, we're going bowling. Oh my god.
I didn't get much of a response.
No, I can't go back. There we go. There we go. Zooming out. Zooming out. Hey, Leroy.
He wants to go bowling.
You know. I love
You know,
that.
Ginger Brown.
I love that guy.
I could do just about anything.
I love that guy right there. You know. He's a. Don't listen to that.
Let's pop him in and see what he looks like. I know what he looks like this way.
Yeah, but it's better on TV.
Let's see what the rest of the world will see.
It's gonna be great when he sees himself. Because he can't see himself right now. Hey, Betsy, we're out there for you, baby. Oh, there he is.
Oh my god.
Betsy, I love you.
You're not right.
I ain't right.